ISO/TS 29001 2020 Oil and Gas Quality Management System Consultancy Implementation Training Certification Support presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to this professional training session or awareness session. I will not say training session, I will say awareness session on ISO/TS 29001 2020 Quality Management System for the petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas industries. Whether you are an oil and gas operator, EPC contractor, refinery, pipeline company, petrochemical manufacturer, equipment manufacturer, supplier, service provider or supply chain partner, this session will help you understand how ISO/TS 29001 2020 strengthens quality, improves operational efficiency, reduces risks and enhances customer confidence. The oil and gas industry operates in one of the world's most demanding environments where failures can lead to significant financial losses, environmental damage, safety incidents, and reputational risks. This is why organizations need a management system specifically designed for the oil and gas sector. That is exactly where ISO/TS 29001 2020 comes in. In today's session, we will discuss introduction to ISO/TS 29001, why this standard is important, key requirements, process approach, risk-based thinking, supply chain management, benefits of certification, consultancy, implementation, and certification process. Let us begin now. What is ISO/TS 29001 2020? ISO/TS 29001 2020 is an internationally recognized quality management system specification developed specifically for the petroleum, petrochemical and natural gas industries. It is based on ISO 9001 2015 but includes additional industry specific requirements to address product conformity, process consistency, defect prevention, supply chain control, risk management, customer satisfaction, regulatory compliance. Unlike generic quality management systems, ISO/TS 29001 focuses on preventing failures throughout the entire supply chain. It supports organizations involved in exploration, drilling, production, refining, transportation, distribution, equipment manufacturing, engineering services, inspection, maintenance. Why ISO/TS 29001 is important? The oil and gas industry cannot tolerate quality failures. A defective valve, an improperly manufactured pressure vessel, a failed pipeline component, or incorrect material identification can lead to catastrophic consequences. ISO/TS 29001 helps organizations reduce operational risks, improve product quality, ensure regulatory compliance, increase customer confidence, reduce non-conforming products, improve supplier performance, strengthen global competitiveness. Organizations that should implement ISO/TS 29001. This standard is suitable for oil and gas companies, refineries, petrochemical plants, pipeline companies, EPC contractors, pressure vessel manufacturers, valve manufacturers, flange manufacturers, pipe manufacturers, heat exchanger manufacturers, pump manufacturers, compressor manufacturers, fabrication companies, inspection agencies, testing laboratories, engineering consultants, maintenance contractors, oil field equipment manufacturers, supply chain partners. We have implemented this standard to many oil and gas supply chain partners and many service companies also. Now, structure of ISO/TS 29001. The standard follows the high-level structure similar to ISO 9001. Major classes include context of organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, improvement. Additional industry requirements include risk assessment, product traceability, supplier qualification, change management, control of outsourced processes, defect prevention, contingency planning. Process approach. ISO/TS 29001 promotes the process approach. Every organization functions through interconnected processes. Example, customer requirements will lead to engineering, then to procurement, then to supplier, then to incoming inspection, then production, then testing, then packing, then dispatch, and at last customer. Each process has input activities, resources, controls, outputs, performance indicators. Organizations should monitor every stage to ensure consistent quality. Now, risk-based thinking. Risk-based Risk management is one of the strongest features of ISO/TS 29001. Organizations should identify technical risk, supplier risk, operational risk, project risk, safety risk, environmental risk, delivery risk. Examples include late delivery of raw materials, material mix-up, equipment breakdown, calibration failures, welding defects, inspection failures, documentation errors. Organizations should evaluate likelihood, impact, detection capability, preventive controls, risk reduction plans. Supply chain management. One of the major strengths of ISO/TS 29001 is supply chain management. The quality of the final product depends heavily on supplier performance. The standard emphasizes supplier selection, supplier evaluation, supplier qualification, supplier audits, performance monitoring, approved vendor lists, incoming material inspection, traceability, change control. Organizations should monitor suppliers using KPIs such as on-time delivery, quality performance, customer complaints, corrective actions, certification status, inspection reports. Strong supply chain management reduces project delays, quality failures, customer complaints, production disruptions, warranty claims. Now, product traceability. Traceability is critical in oil and gas. Organizations should identify products from raw material to final delivery. Typical traceability includes heat numbers, batch numbers, material certificates, inspection reports, calibration records, test certificates, welding records, final documentation. This ensures complete confidence in product quality. Now, competence and training. Personal competence directly affects quality. Organizations should ensure employees are trained in inspection, welding, NDT, quality control, material handling, risk management, customer requirements, document control, internal auditing. Competence should be evaluated regularly. Okay. Now, benefits of ISO/TS 29001 certification. Let's see this. Organizations implementing ISO/TS 29001 can improve customer confidence, better process control, reduce operational risk, improve supplier quality, better project execution, enhance regulatory compliance, reduce costs, improved efficiency, international market recognition, competitive advantage, higher customer satisfaction, control improvement. Now, consultancy and implementation process. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited follows a systematic implementation approach. Step 1, gap analysis. Step 2, project planning. Step 3, documentation development. Step 4, process implementation. Step 5, employee training. Step 6, internal audit. Step 7, management review. Step 8, corrective actions. Step 9, pre-certification assessment. Step 10, certification support. Our experienced consultants ensure smooth implementation with minimum disruption to operations. Now, why choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited? At URGS International, we are committed to helping organizations achieve operational excellence through internationally recognized management systems. Our services include ISO/TS 29001 consultancy, documentation support, implementation assistance, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, supplier audits, vendor development, third-party inspection, risk assessments, process audits, certification support, IAF and non-IAF, corporate training programs. Our experienced professionals have supported organizations across manufacturing, engineering, oil and gas, petrochemical, energy, EPC, infrastructure, and industrial sectors. At last, conclusion. ISO/TS 29001 2020 is more than just a quality management standard. It is a strategic framework for improving product quality, managing risk, strengthening supply chain performance, ensuring regulatory compliance, and achieving operational excellence in the petroleum, petrochemical, and natural gas industries. Organizations that implement ISO/TS 29001 demonstrate their commitment to delivering reliable products, meeting customer expectations, and driving control improvement across every stage of the value chain. If your organization is planning to implement ISO/TS 29001 2020, upgrade its quality management system, strengthen supplier quality, or prepare for certification, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is your trusted partner. Now contact us. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our services: ISO consultancy and implementation, ISO/TS 29001 2020 consultancy, internal auditor and lead auditor training, corporate training, supplier and vendor audits, third party inspection, TPI, manufacturing audits, risk assessment and compliance, and ISO certification support, either IAF or non-IAF, as per the requirement of the client. Email us info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. So please contact us through WhatsApp first for any query. If you found this video informative, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more professional content on ISO standards, quality management, oil and gas management systems, supply chain excellence, inspection, certification, and business excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your organization's journey toward operational excellence and global competitiveness.